A quick disclaimer, I just want to say, I'm sorry. A lot of the voiceovers you will hear is not very good. I did all of these very late at night. I was very tired through most of the recordings, along with my house being noisy and interrupting during the day, so I don't really have a choice. I stumble over my words and space out a lot. If you can bear through that, enjoy the video. Thank you.
Hello, and today this is going to be a voiceover for Harold. Harold is a Dell Dimension B1000 running the greatest and latest version of Windows. That is, if you were 20 years ago and Windows 2000 was the modern operating system at the time, obviously. Supporting 256 megabytes of RAM at 800 megahertz, a GeForce 2, 64 megabytes of blistering VRAM, and a humongous, chunkus, 80 gigabyte, 5400 RPM hard drive. And with that, I think we should get on with the build. So here's the inside of the PC. You can see it's pretty darn dirty and it's overall pretty disgusting. Let's be honest here. Checking for leaky caps, any motherboard damage. Fortunately, I didn't see any. So I'm gonna just go right ahead and get started on the teardown by removing the cards and removing as much as I can. As later on I learned a lot and I didn't get a lot of recording of it. I didn't get the front panel off on camera, nor did I get the other side panel off. Both were equally as disgusting, but I did get pictures of them, so I'll throw them in when time is needed. Now the teardown is complete from this point on. Now I guess it's time to clean it. So what I did was, since I couldn't record all of it, I took a lot of photos, pretty much before, during, and the process and after of the machine being cleaned. As I found more and more dirt, I thought it was just really amusing. So from the pictures from the beginning, pretty much the most disgusting parts, but I'll throw in some more since mainly this is like mid-build, mid-cleaning. I deep soaked all the side panels in hot soapy water, and since the front panel was very, very gross, I decided to bleach it. Unfortunately, the pentium badge did not make it, so I'll get that replaced along with some other stuff. And I threw out the floppy disk drive because it was just disgusting. Hopefully the disk drives work. I don't need to replace those, so. It's a lie. I'm so tired and frustrated. And all it took was a different outlet for it to work. There's nothing plugged in there right now, as you can clearly see. So I'm gonna just run through some testing to see if I can just get it to keep booting. Because like right now it's on. Lights aren't on, so I gotta plug those back in, I think. Oh, that came on. Got that plugged in, that's good. Other than that, progress.